we're still working on the von Neumann computer. There are many trials to make it more intelligent. We had this story about artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligence didn't work. We all know that. But still we believe that computers must get more intelligence. Now we're coming with that story. So having the background of Swiss quality, the seriosity of Switzerland and all that, and coming with the idea getting new technology into computers, that's a big story for them. Butler is an idea came up by Can-Do, and it excited us very much. It will make that company Can-Do very big, because, you know, do you really like to Google? I mean, do you like to sit there and, you know, key in and then having 3 million of answers and you don't know which one first, and, you know, and then you have to search all that by yourself? That's not really what we like to do. That was nice, but now a new generation has to come in. So we need these search engines. We need them because they have indexed all the internet. They know every page in the internet. But what we need is, I need my twin. I need somebody getting those answers and then read it for me and then select it for me and then bring it back like a butler. In order to select it for me, he needs to know who I am. So he has to understand my taste, my behavior, my interests and everything. So if he knows that, then he can... All the tension in the world today, all the little girls filling up the world today. Homeland Security, everybody knows that's the big chief of staff unit in the United States in charge for security. He asked me, what are you doing? And I said to him, I can give you an answer to a question you didn't know that you have to ask for it. Okay. And then he said, wait a minute. That means you can tell us because of some rumors and things we can watch on the market where that may lead to, or if we do have an evidence, you can tell us based on which rumors and actions that happened. And I said, yes, we can view in both directions why it happened and based on what it happened or what could happen in the future. You can program your telephone on voice dialing. So you say Rolf and you apply a telephone number. Now, when we would sit like that and we talk about Rolf, my telephone would dial. And no matter whether you say the word Rolf or I'm saying it, because it can't separate between you and me. But the new technology would learn the telephone that only I'm the guy who is ordering that the telephone should make a phone call. And also the telephone would learn between a question, an order, a command. So it understands the meaning of sentence. So if I would say, who is Rolf? The telephone would answer, well, Rolf has the telephone number XY. If I would say, please call Rolf, then he would dial. And if you would say, call Rolf, he would do nothing because it's not my voice. That's intelligence. You have to view the technology as a platform, and then the specialists know what to do, and they're just using the platform. So we enable all those branches. The technology can be used as an alarm indicator. The trader says, if this and this happens there and there under these conditions, then I would like to have an alarm. And that's exactly how he would program the technology. And then the technology would watch all the markets worldwide simultaneously, all the 10,000 of indices, and then tell him, now your conditions are happening here or here or here, and then he can decide what to do. It's kind of sad when you don't know the meaning, but everything happens for a reason. In the field of forensic, we can do pattern recognition in a way they can't do today, like shoe prints, tire prints. If you're watching CSI in the movie, you know, the TV show, you believe that everything is possible, but I tell you, it's only 10% what they do. Fingerprints, face recognition. They do have some applications, but they are not really in the quality they need. One reason is it's a lot of fun. We learn, every day, every second we learn so much. And while on the other side, yeah, we have a lot of investors have invested in our company. So they're looking forward for our IPO and, for our further development. So yeah, of course, we say this is a multi-billion-dollar business, and we will see how we perform in that. If you have electrocardiograms, the system could be programmed and profiling my cardiogram, and it would recognize if I'm turning bad, even if the extremas are not hit yet, but overall my curve is going in a bad direction. So it would recognize this trend. One reason is it's a lot of fun. We learn, every day, every second we learn so much. And while on the other side, yeah, we have a lot of investors have invested in our company. So they're looking forward for our IPO and, for our further development. So yeah, of course, we say this is a multi-billion-dollar business, and we will see how we perform in that. We have so many opportunities, so many different branches. We have already, Semantic System already has 3 products in the market. So Homeland Security, which is hard to sell to, already accepted that our technology is used at the JFK airport in New York. So we have went through all those steps already. So we can ensure that the technology is there, the technology is working, and the need is there. Everybody knows that the need is there. So I think the risk is on a very, very minimal level. I think the momentum is there, yeah, correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.